Hiya Duck. So today we're going to do chrome. Oh my god, love chrome. Slightly obsessed. Probably going to be in every single video that you see for the foreseeable. But we're going to use a Jelly Topcoat as well. I'm very excited. So let's get cracking. So I've already got a set of nails that are done. They've been filled. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put base coat on. Then I'm going to put the Jelly Topcoats on. And you're probably thinking, well, why are you doing that? Because I just want the longevity. I don't want Andrea ringing me saying, this is just, you know, it started coming off or whatever. So longevity, we're going to put the base coat on. Then we'll top coat. But not normal top coat, we're going to use a Jelly Topcoats. We are going to put on the base coat, then we are going to gloss top coat with a normal top coat first.
Oh, so you're going to chrome over the nude?
Going to chrome over this first. Put that in. And then put the Jelly Topcoats over the top of the chrome. Because I think that would look amazing. Glossy top coat. So this has a tack-free layer. That's really important when we're doing these liquid chromes. We want a tack-free layer. We're going to use the Rubber Dubbers, which are our sponge applicators. We're going to use Tourmaline. Shake the bottle to wake the... It's not a drink. It's not a drink.
Don't drink it.
Don't drink it. Don't drink it. Shake it to wake it. Is that thumb been in properly?
Yeah.
Just because I saw you at a dodgy angle.
I know, well, I eat like contortionist.
I thought you were really flexible because you can kick your own nails.
That's very true, yeah.
Another thing is, once you've used these, make sure you really screw on the lid nice and tight so you don't get no evaporation. And also, when you're shaking it, make sure it's screwed on really tight because, yeah, I've made that mistake. So we're going to apply it as if it's sort of polished, what you're going to do first of all. And it already looks gorgeous. And then you're going to take the excess, put it onto your rubber dubber. You're going to burnish this in to the nail. And I've got clients that would just wear this like this because they absolutely love that effect. But we're going to make it a little bit different today. So nice, isn't it, Andrea?
It's beautiful.
Look how quick it is as well. It's not messy, you know, like normal powder chrome. It's nowhere near as messy. You can turn it over and use a clean side, and that'll sort of grab any loose particles. So if you just leaved it like that and you didn't top coat it, it will come off. You would have to seal it. It's really important. I'm going to show you another tip here as well. If you take a 240 grit file and drag it around the edge of the nail, this is going to help with longevity as well. It makes the chrome last longer because what we're doing is we're just taking off the chrome off the very, very edge, which you won't really see because it's right at the edge. .240 grit file is plenty. It doesn't need to be a really coarse grit file. Lint-free wipe with nothing on it, just to take off any dust from that filing. Can you just see how we've got chrome and we've got a very, very slight margin with no chrome on. So the top coat will sit on that and it's going to prevent any lifting. So the colours that we have, the The coloured top coats we've got, the jelly top coats, are Gnarly. Gnarly is a gorgeous orange. It's going to be like a sunset in a bottle. Then we've got Party Pool, which is one of my faves because it's pink. Then we've got Luna.
All of Andrea's family.
I know,
All
yeah.
Andrea's dogs, these are. Apart from Party Pool, which is purple. Then we've got Hugo,
Oh, my baby.
which is the blue. Another one of Andrea's dogs. Then we've got Mustang. It's green, like my Mustang.
Like Kirsty's horse.
Yeah, like my horse. We're going to go over the top of the chrome and put this on super thin. And when we're putting it on, make sure you go right to the edge of your chrome, also right to the edge of the nail. And you're sort of capping it like this. And you'll have like a metallic finish. So you've got like a metallic orange now. That's nice.
That is cool that you can do that and you still
Yeah.
get that. Gives you so many more options.
Yeah, it does. So many more options.
And does it look different if you put it over the top of the jelly?
Yeah,
Does
it'll
it give a
look
different effect?
Yeah, it will.
Again, more options.
Chrome looks really nice over the flash gels as well. Look at that. Let's do Luna. And Hugo. God rest his soul.
Oh, baby boy.
We need a Drago, don't we?
We do.
We haven't got a Drago, Adam.
Oh yeah.
And then we're going to chrome again. Oh my god!
I think you should do a Romeo and Juliet set and call it Chromeo.
Chromeo. Breath her out there, Chromeo. Look at that. That's fire. Oh my god. See, they look gorgeous just like that. I mean, that isn't what we're actually doing because we're going to do some other shizzle in his. But that looks cool.
I don't know if it gives that much of a difference to it.
Do you know?
I mean, obviously it gives some,
But I love how you can still see the colour coming through. Look at that. Woo! Right, okay. Next, we're going to take a matte top coat and it's going to give us a totally different effect. And I'm going to pop some of that onto my palette. So, Lily Long Legs brush, it's our 20mm brush. Make sure all those bristles have that on. And we're going to do lines on the top and the bottom because they'll go thinner and thicker. And they do not need to be perfect. You want gaps between, ideally. You can touch every now and then, but you want sort of them to go a bit thick and a bit thinner. I'm going to flash that with a brush in my mouth. It's a quick design, you don't need to be too perfect with it. Chop them in, I'll do your thumb after. in. Then we're going to take a lint-free wipe with clean-up solution on. We're going to rub. So anything, that top layer of chrome that we put on will be wiped away, but it's still underneath that coloured top coat. So you're going to get this weird effect where you've got the matte lines and you've got the glossy underneath. I really like that.
That's very cool.
That is really cool. And then we're going to put crystals on, and the crystals that I'm going to use, I want to use AB crystals, because AB crystals have that sort of aurora borealis or like rainbow kind of effect on them. So they'll go with all the nails, all the different colours that we have on these nails. Look at that. That is such a cool effect. And quite simple. That is so cool. I love it. Right. Crystals. Jam gel. Jam gel. Jam gel. Jam gel. Jam gel. That's what's that off? What's it off? What's it even off? Stingray!
Oh, yeah.
Stingray!
Stingray! Oh, yeah.
You know, I got sacked once from DJing in Yates's
What for?
for playing old 60s theme tunes, stuff like that, Stingray. Every now and again, I would just slot one in like that, or Joe 90, or
Yeah.
Thunderbirds.
And they sacked you for
Got
it.
sacked for it, yeah.
I've now got that song in my head.
Stingray. I never understood why people watched puppets that looked like puppets. I just couldn't get my head around it. I'm like, but you can see it's a puppet.
Yeah.
I don't get it. I don't like anything out of space either. Don't like sort of Star Trek or Star Wars. Or
No,
anything.
don't they? That's a... You love Star Wars.
I know. See, I don't think I've ever watched Star Wars.
Well, how can you say you don't like it?
My dad would have had it on, but because my dad loved all that sort of thing. And Buck Rogers, remember that?
No, I can't remember that. I know the name, but I can't remember what it was like.
Rogers in the 25th century, sorry.
Yeah.
25th century.
Yeah.
And there was, what was the thing called? Beady, 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 beady.
Yeah,
The robot.
Yeah, the robot. He used to go, there, Buck, didn't he?
It's funny how they haven't really made. Have they made any like live action? Did they do a live action Thunderbirds?
If they did, it must have been good, because I can't remember.
I don't know whether they have or not. But it's strange how that hasn't sort of.
Yeah.
Being thing, right, yeah.
I mean, when they used to make stuff about the future.
Oh no, they have. Yeah.
Yeah, but it used to look horrendous, didn't it? You know, when it was sort of like as today as now, everybody was either zombies or something or other. Or, you know, like in Total Recall and all that sort of stuff. You think, oh, one won't be there anyway. But then you wonder if we're not heading that way. Battlestar Galactica.
Oh god, I love Battlestar Galactica. Love it. I actually, the other night, I sat and watched an hour's worth of like big YouTube videos about Battlestar Galactica.
Yeah,
Did you?
Yeah.
I did actually watch that.
I loved the original series, even though it was. You should never watch it again because it is shit.
Yeah,
It is so bad. It has not aged well at all.
yeah.
The series that just came out, it came out in 2005, I think? 2004?
Yeah.
Wow. That is
See, I
like
didn't.
phenomenal.
Yeah, I've not watched that. I watched it obviously years ago,
Yeah.
the original, because my dad used to watch anything like
This
that.
was a totally reimagined
Was
kind
it?
of thing. It's like dark.
Yeah,
It's more like it's a military and political show, but it's set in that world,
yeah,
and it's absolutely brilliant.
yeah.
Yeah, really good. And then they spun off another series called Caprica, which I never really watched, but yeah, it's very good. I've actually been, because I watched that thing the other night, I've considered, right, am I going to give it another go and watch it again? But it's quite long.
Yeah.
them.
I love them.
They are so nice. Which is your favourite colour?
I've got to choose between my dogs. Can't do that.
Oh, I like them all. I
I
think
love them all.
I think the green one's slightly my favourite, to be
Well, it
honest.
will be because it's your Mustang.
I just like green a lot. I don't like the pink one. I like them all, to be honest with you. There you are, guys. Quick, easy design using the gorgeous chromes and the Jelly Topcoats. How amazing. I love them.
Just proved that it was a quick and easy design. That was 45 minutes on camera.
Oh, wow. Amazing. Yeah. Quick. Love it. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram and all that. And if you haven't subscribed already, I'm sorry, what are you doing? Press the button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra, duck!